Good morning, students. Welcome to part 5 of our chapter number 9, soil. In that, we were seeing the properties of soil. Then we have seen the moisture in soil. In the last video, we have done the experiment to prove that there is a moisture in soil. Right? Now, absorption of water by soil. Absorption of water by soil means how much water do soil absorb. On what does it depend? It depends on the type of soil completely, right? It depends on the type of soil. So, to measure that, an experiment is given, that is activity 9.6. What you have to do is, you need one beaker, then one funnel, right? What you need, different types of soils, filter paper, a dropper, a measuring cylinder, a water and a beaker, right? In this way, you have to place all the things. You have to place a beaker, then take a plastic funnel and take a filter paper and fold it and press it inside the funnel as shown in the figure. फिल्टर पेपर को फनल के अंदर रख देना है एंड उसके अंदर आपको सॉइल डालना है. You are taking 50 gram of dry soil, right? And then take a measuring cylinder and take some amount of water. You have to record that, measure how much water you are taking. Okay? Then what you have to do? You have to pour water on the soil drop by drop with the help of a dropper. एक साथ सब नहीं डाल देना. You have to put it drop by drop so that the soil can absorb the water properly. Put the water until it starts dripping. जब नीचे से ड्रॉप्स पड़ना शुरू हो जाए तब तक आपको उसके अंदर पानी डालना है, राइट? When the drops start falling down from the funnel, you have to stop pouring water. Means अब वो absorb नहीं कर सकती, इसीलिए वो बाहर निकाल देती है, right? So now then you measure the water which is left in your measuring cylinder. So you can find the volume and the weight also and the percentage of water absorbed by the soil, right? Let me show you. Suppose the weight of the soil you have taken, that is 50 gram. The initial water, suppose you have taken, that is 100 ml and we are naming it as U, right? The water left out, that is V. Suppose it is 40 milliliter left out. ठीक है, आप डाल रहे थे, पोर कर रहे थे, जब आपने बंद किया डालना, then the left water is about 40 milliliter. Then what is the volume of water absorbed? It is U minus V. What is it? U minus V. So what will it come? That is 100 minus 40. So it will come to 60 ml. So 60 ml of water, it is absorbed by the soil. And what was the weight? Weight is also U minus V gram. It is said that 1 ml of water, it will weigh 1 gram. So the same, that is 100 minus 40, 60 grams. So the volume, it is 60 milliliters and the weight it is 60 grams. Now to find the percentage of water absorbed. Right? This was the volume, the weight. Now what is the formula to find the percentage of water absorbed by a soil? So here it is U minus V upon the weight of soil, that is 50 into 100. So what is your U minus V? We have just now found. U, it is 100, V 40 upon 50 into 100. So it is 60 by 50 into 100. So this is where you can cut it out, right? So answer is it is 120%. Now in the another sample of soil, supposedly your water left over, it is 60 ml left over. Then what will be your answer? Here it will come 60, here it will come 40. So in the another type of soil, the absorption will be 80%. So it depends on the type of soil. So in clay soil, it will be the most. Then in the loamy soil, it will be comparatively less. Now if we are talking about sandy soil, then for sandy soil, the water left over will be 90 milliliters, suppose. Then what will be your answer? Instead of 60, it will be 90. Here it will be 10. So the answer is 20%. What is it? 20%. So for the clay soil, it is the maximum. For loamy soil, it is moderate. For sandy soil, the water absorption capacity is the least. Right? So in this way, you can find the water absorption capacity of the soil. That is the percentage of water absorbed. Right? So this was your activity 9.6. Homework is read the topic 9.7, soil and crops. We will do it in the next video. Thank you.